first we have to implement first we have to create an account in IFTT. IFTT means if this then that. First we have to go for my applets. Here we have already created two applets for turning on relay and turning off relay. First turning on relay. A simple phrase we have to give. Here turning on relay and another phrase is switch on relay. Here the Google Assistant will response is OK and update trigger. Next then here we have to select a feed name relay and it on update action. Applet updated. Then this is the phrase. If we say turn on, then relay will turn on. And next for turn off relay. Here we given the turn off relay and switch off relay. The Google will respond OK. Then update trigger. Next then a feed name is relay. The is off. Relay is off. Then update. Applet updated. Then Google will, when we say turn off, then turn off the relay. Next we'll Adafruit explain by Shan.
Adafruit is a cloud service. It will get the information from the IFTTT. Here account is created, which is sign in with the account created in the IFTT. Then we can add the feeds here. We have added buzzer, LED, relay. To add the new feed, we have to go to view all and add the new feeds. Then in my key there will be a credentials. These credentials will be used in the program. Then code will be explained by Nisha. This is our code. In this code controls the connection with the Adafruit and the IFTT, and these are the credentials to connect with the Adafruit to the relay, and we have given the feed ID as relay to turn on and turn off. Here we have defined the three functions: connection, disconnection and message. Message will receive the three parameters: client, feed ID and payload. Client is the Adafruit service, and feed ID is the relay, and the payload is payload is the action what we do, like turn on and turn off. Here these are the feed IDs, and these are the payloads, like status, turn on and turn off. So these are the three parameters will pass to the message, and here there is a function to, if the feed ID is relay, then if the payload is on, then it will
turn on the relay, and if the payload is off, then turn off the relay. Then we shall see the execution.
Let's see the demonstration. We will run the program. Now it is listening for relay changes. Turn on relay. Turn on relay. Here it has turn on.
Here it has turned on.
Now let's off the relay. Turn off relay.